Every video, post, or blog you see online was created by someone, but how do they do it? Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Genevieve Chidera. I'm a copywriter and a digital marketer. I help brands communicate clearly with their target audience. So in this video, we are going to talk about content creation, what it means, how it's structured, and different types of content creation. So very simple, very clear. Let's dive into the tutorial. So what is content creation? I'm going to define content creation and break it down to a layman understanding that even a 5 years old child will know what is content creation. Content creation simply means making anything for people to watch, listen to online. In short, if you write a post, it's a content creation. If you record a video, it's a content creation. If you design a picture, it is a content creation. In short, making things for people on the internet is defined as content creation. So how do you structure your content? Every content has its steps. It's not just random. Think of it like you want to cook rice. You cannot just pour rice and serve. There's a process. Same with content. So the number one on my list is the idea generation. This is where you generate your ideas. You start asking, what is it that I want to talk about? What is it that I want to post? What is it that I want to talk to people about? That is what they call idea generation. Then number two on my list is planning. You start planning how to post your content. What is it? How do I start? How do I end my content? How do I position myself? That is what they call planning. It's just like little things you map out in your head. So number three on my list is known as creation. This is where you do the work. You write out your post, you record your video, and you design your pictures. So this is called the doing part. So number four on my list is known as editing part. This editing part, this is where you check out for mistakes, you check out for errors. Is there anywhere I need to amend? Is there any place I need to check out? My videos, is it clear? You get, this is the part you check out for errors. So this is called the editing part. Then lastly, the posting part. This is where you upload your video. It doesn't just end in uploading. You check out for people's engagement, you like, repost your comments. So this is the last part. So how different types of content creation. This is the another step. Different types of content creation. We have four types of content creation. So the number one on my list is known as written content creation. Any content that you can read is known as written content creation. Example, Instagram captions, tweet posts, blogs, articles. So any article or captions you read is known as written content creation. So the number two on my list is known as visual content creation. Any content that you can just look at that has image is known as visual content creation. It can be infographics, it can be posters, it can be images, it can be designs. All of them are known as visual content creation. So number three is known as video content creation. All of us know about that one. Where video content creation can comprise TikTok videos, YouTube videos, Facebook reels, Facebook ads. So all of them are known as video content creation. So the last on my list is known as audio content creation. Any content that you can just listen to, you cannot watch, is known as audio content creation. It can be a podcast, it can be a radio show. So all of them is known as audio content creation. So in summary, I will say that content creation simply means making things for people to watch, listen to, learn online. So we have structure, how to structure your content. You start by your ideas, your planning, your creation, your editing, and your posting. Then different types of content creation. We have written content creation, virtual content creation, video content creation, and audio content creation. So just remember that any content that you saw online was created by someone, planned by someone, and edited by someone. And that someone can be you. So if you find this video helpful, like, repost, and share, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.